Come fall in love with this stunning home on highly sought after Larkin Avenue in spectacular Swansea. Enjoy the perfect balance of old world charm and modern upgrades. Welcome to 10 Larkin Avenue. Come on in, let me show you around. The grand foyer opens into a beautiful living and dining room. Enjoy updated hardwood floors, incredible wood trim, large windows, French doors, and a wood-burning fireplace. The renovated kitchen features maple cabinets, granite counters, marble backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. The solarium is a fabulous bonus room, perfect for home office, an eat-in area, or workout area. Three well-sized bedrooms with hardwood flooring, large windows, and a 4-piece bathroom completes the second floor. The finished basement features a separate entrance, a recreation room with tons of built-ins, a 2-piece bathroom, laundry room, and a hobby room. Enjoy everything that Storybook Swansea and happening Bloor West Village have to offer. Fabulous shops, restaurants, parks, pond, river, and easy access to transit. This is a special one. Don't miss it.